It's time for another video quiz from Access Learning Zone. Today's quiz is for expert or intermediate level users. I'll ask you 5 questions, give you a few seconds to think about each one, then I'll reveal the answer. Keep track of your score. We'll see how you did at the end. Are you ready? Here we go. Number 1, what's the main purpose of a primary key in an Access table? Is it to uniquely identify each record, to store a copy of related records, to automatically create forms, or to sort records alphabetically? That's to identify each record uniquely, of course. Question 2, a customer could have many contact records. Where should the customer ID foreign key normally be stored? In the customer table only, in the contact table, in both tables as separate primary keys, or in a report instead of a table? That's going to be in the contact table. In a one-to-many relationship, the foreign key goes on the many side. That would be the contact table. Question 3, if a primary key is an AutoNumber field, what field type should its matching foreign key usually be? Short text, AutoNumber, long integer, or date time? That's going to be a long integer. If the primary key is an AutoNumber, the foreign key should be a number of type long integer. Question 4. Why is it usually better to store a shipping method ID in an order record instead of repeatedly typing in the shipping method name? IDs make the table use more columns. It avoids inconsistent duplicate names and makes changes easier. Access can't store text in related tables, or shipping methods can only be used once. That's B. It avoids inconsistent duplicate names and makes changes easier. Question 5. What does setting a field's indexed property to yes, no duplicates accomplish? It allows only one blank value in the table. It automatically makes the field an AutoNumber. It prevents 2 records from having the same field value, or it creates a relationship with every table. And that's C. It prevents 2 records from having the same field value. How'd you do? Did you get all 5? Did you lead the fleet to a new Earth, or did you forget what side the Cylons are even on? If you missed any of these topics, these and a lot more are covered in my Access Expert Level 1 class, Lesson 2 on Relational Tables. So thanks for playing. Post your score in the comments down below, and until next time, live long and prosper, my friends.